One person one person. Somebody brought out money and erect this for himself and to himself alone. You know who mother because Hobed Modulo no lying and gamba Hobed me. Hey, if I'm going to say any lady, they went no there. Hey, onye dri here ki de lempre de medega manama beautiful right up. Hey, nah ebe ano na amayari ote. If somebody goes in, bye gada laga ga na mahagenye wadu mara pio. Hey, na mahagenye mara pio mo nandu Diego. Rich men wo iganga ha ga anyu ha agbo. Onye ruru ihe. Oji mo go thank you very much. Oh, Namdala, oh, welcome, my dear. How are you? Young ma'am. Igbo no?
No.
Eh?
I don't hear Igbo.
You don't hear Igbo?
No.
Give an Igbo land, Agari Kozana Kwadakwa. You don't hear Igbo?
No, sir.
Anyway, that's by the way. Because I want to see the owner of this house. Very big house. Now, man, build have been a government.
House? No.
Yes.
This is a hospital.
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 Jabi Bogo. Hospital.
Hospital, yes.
No more wine.
Yes.
No alone.
Oh, yes.
New more state.
Yes.
Na Nigeria.
Yes.
Hey! Ihomerulayaka. Obinigwe Prakwatule. Hey! Hospital.
Oh, yes, this is a hospital.
Hanga.
Yeah.
Elizabeth Nemo. Ale kwemum no. Gadala biebe na kokenko. Asego hospital gi manya okengo industry. This place now for hospital, not the person house. Not the house. No wonder. I see somebody outside.
That's our signboard.
Right up plenty. I don't know how to read, but I know say they write something. Hey, is it a new hospital?
Oh, yes, it is a new hospital. It just opened just some months ago, just like about 2 months old.
2 months?
Yes.
That means it's a new baby.
Oh, yes, a baby.
Come, some man here gone. God, the thing is good. Please, who is the MD? Who is the?
Oh, the owner of the hospital is Dr. Chika Umbaja.
My
husband.
A man and a woman.
A man and a woman, yes.
Put hands together.
Put hands together.
They know build the hotel. They know build the challenge.
Well,
they know build the banana hospital. Please, I'll be well with them.
Oh, no.
Because no verse. No only child they don't born here, they do other things.
No. We do so much here. We are into ambulatory care. We have emergency care, child and mentality care. We even do a lot of surgeries. You can have everything you need done here because we have different specialties of doctors, nurses, and every healthcare professionals here.
And again, what?
Oh, professionals for doctors, professionals for nurses, and each of these people, they have different specialties. Oh, you know, the bones and plastic, ENT nurses, emergency nurses. If you have all the specialties for the doctors as well, we have every one of them here.
This place,
oh, yes, yes.
It worth it. It worth it from look of this place from outside. Sickness don't really cure. I just see cure. I never see person will enter here carry sickness go for as I they see here. Because they say seeing is believing. From the outside, I don't already know what will be happening inside. If the outside is beautiful like this side will go heaven on earth. Hey, please, one more thing. Asa Huwaru, Gewaru, and Akowaru. Can I go inside? Take me inside. I want to see everything by myself. They say seeing is belief. Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Don't me there. Don't me. Iga Baiga. Everywhere go they smell chang. Some place go they smell all the other. But this place is smelling because the smell of this place will even heal the sick.
Oh yes, it does.
Hey! I believe tell them they I like this place. I this kind of hospital. You don't need too much prayer. Therefore, pack your load and go. Any sickness in you, you don't need it here. The smell of this place will just scare you. What's in the name again?
Olu United Medical Center.
Olu United Medical Center. Olu United Medical Center. Olu United Medical Center. Olu United Medical Center. Oh, you know what they are? Oh, you really treaty. I really treaty. Hey, one day, oh, you know, banker.
This is our receptionist.
Okay,
Okay, front desk.
Frog desk. Anti-frog desk. When you pray?
Your front desk.
Hey, Auntie, I will know Igbo. Frog desk. Oh, beautiful girl. Thank you. Your name is what? Dorati. Hey, up to my sister. Where did they call Dora? If you see my sister and God Noche. Before Kulito Cheta or Samba. Dora. Hey, name Dora. Oh, took me another department.
Well, let me take you.
Hey, your man.
This is our emergency room. Top class. Top class. Electric beds. Electric beds. Really? So this is our theater, and this is the theater bed, and every other equipment. And the wonderful thing is we have a camera there where any of your relatives, when you're having your surgeries here, you can actually watch from the external view over there at the back door. So you are live inside the theater.
Wait a minute. Person they do operation here. Maybe person they do operation. Me go stay somewhere.
Oh yes.
Instead of coming in here,
You watch.
I go there, they watch.
Watch, exactly. American standard.
Hey! American Standard. What is the name of this hospital again?
Olu United Medical Center.
Olu United Medical Center. Yeah, well, like in America, like in Nigeria.
Exactly.
People where give this idea, we bring this thing home. If you know go better for now, let me know what it costs. It must be better for them. Hey, beautiful place. God is really wonderful. I am so pleased with what I saw. I am pleased with what I see. I am going to announce it to the whole world that everybody should start coming to Olu United Medical Center.
And we do much more. Oh, we offer home health services where if you cannot come here, just call us. We come over to your house and take care of you.
Really?
Yes.
You can go to somebody's house, or even if maybe your mama don't old, she nobody if you bring them here.
Exactly.
When I go, they go house, they treat them, they go, they come.
Yes.
Hey, are you for real?
Yes.
Ah, and the other nurse say register 1 year, and the other.
Oh yes, we have several packages, health packages with chinkiri money like this. Even the one we do collabo with governments of Imo State. Oh, NHIS, you pay chinkiri money, it will handle you for the entire year. You can access service here, every type of service here for the entire year.
If you don't register, anytime where you see,
Anytime you sick, just come.
This is Obodo Igbo now.
Yeah.
Obodo Igbo Babylon Olo. Obodo Igbo Babylon Olo Namo. Umowa. This place is Umowa. Good. I am so pleased. In fact, I'm going home now to tell my kindred. Ale kweni lega mi amudi o amandoba umaka o umudi bi amusa olahin umo okporo. Gbogbo ti gbo. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nyoma demo. They say akurulo. Thank you. I shall be going. Right. See you some other time. Be a good doctor. HR. Be a good man. No. Hey.